Hey there, design lovers. Welcome back to World Decor Idea, where we explore the most inspiring spaces from around the globe. Today, we're diving into something really special: elegant winter outdoor architecture that beautifully blends pergolas, fences, and facades. Get ready for 14 stunning ideas that'll transform how you see outdoor design this season. Imagine stepping into this calm Scandinavian courtyard where sunlight slips through the oak pergola, sketching soft lines across the pale limestone floor. The cream facade and black steel fence feel minimalist but never cold because the warm wood tones keep everything inviting. Winter plants in simple concrete pots add just enough life. It is the kind of space where you breathe deeper without even noticing why. This Mediterranean terrace feels like a quiet winter holiday you never want to end. The terracotta pergola stretches out from the ochre facade, catching soft seasonal sunlight and wrapping everything in a gentle glow. The wrought iron fence adds that romantic touch, protecting a cozy dining corner on warm travertine stone. Olive trees and herbs in clay pots bring scent and texture, making the entire space feel like an outdoor room designed for slow, lingering conversations. This Japanese-inspired courtyard is all about quiet control and thoughtful balance. The dark walnut slats flow from fence to pergola in one continuous gesture, while the charcoal facade stands back, calm and steady. Winter light glides across the white gravel, making every shadow feel intentional. There is nothing extra here, yet it does not feel empty. Instead, it feels like a place where your mind finally gets permission to slow down. This industrial outdoor nook feels cool and edgy, but still surprisingly cozy. The black steel pergola and fence give strong structure, while the raw concrete facade keeps everything honest and unfussy. Sunlight and shadow play across the weathered teak deck, softening the hard lines. You can almost feel the faint chill in the air, offset by warm string lights waiting for evening. It is the kind of spot that suits both a solo coffee and a late-night chat. This coastal-inspired exterior feels bright and crisp, even on a cool winter day. The white pergola catches the sun and throws it softly across the light concrete patio, while the driftwood-colored fence brings in that beachy, relaxed mood. The shiplap facade and navy trim feel fresh and nautical without going overboard. Wind-protecting glass keeps the space usable, and the soft blue planters add just enough color to make everything feel quietly happy. This rustic modern farmhouse corner feels like a laid-back winter retreat. The reclaimed wood pergola carries the story of age and weather, while the crisp black fence and white brick facade keep the look clean and current. Sunlight highlights every grain and texture on the oak decking, making even a cold day feel warm underfoot. Metal planters filled with evergreens bring life and structure, turning this into a spot that looks good in every season. This Art Deco courtyard has a dramatic, almost cinematic energy, even in winter light. The brass pergola details catch every ray of sun, sparkling softly against the deep green facade. The fence feels more like a piece of jewelry than a barrier. Black and white marble underfoot adds that classic glamour, making each step feel intentional. It is the kind of space where you can imagine slow music, warm drinks, and long, stylish evenings. This mid-century inspired exterior feels both nostalgic and fresh at the same time. The teak pergola, with its slender posts and confident lines, frames a patio where winter light falls in gentle stripes. The layered wood fence gives rhythm and warmth, while the walnut and white facade keeps everything grounded. Terracotta-toned concrete underfoot adds a subtle pop of color. It feels like the perfect backdrop for a vintage chair, a good book, and quiet afternoon sun. This transitional outdoor space feels effortlessly polished without trying too hard. The white louvered pergola filters winter sunlight just enough, while the mixed material fence brings a modern twist with its wood accents. The limestone facade in soft beige glows gently, creating a warm contrast to the gray porcelain tiles. Brass lanterns and hidden lighting add a soft evening sparkle. It is a space that easily shifts from peaceful daytime lounging to intimate nighttime gatherings. This organic modern setting feels deeply connected to nature, even when the trees are bare. The live-edge pergola beams, stone columns, and stacked rock facade all tell a story of texture and time. Winter light rolls across the flagstone and moss, never harsh, always gentle. The fence becomes more of a sculptural backdrop than a boundary. Subtle greenery and sleek planters brings in life without clutter. It is the kind of space that makes you instinctively slow your pace. This Tuscan courtyard feels sun-kissed even in the middle of winter. The honeyed timber pergola and warm terracotta facade create a soft golden atmosphere that wraps around you. The bronze iron fence and travertine pavers feel time-worn in the best way. Potted herbs and evergreens add life and scent, making the space feel used and loved. You can almost hear the clink of cups and quiet laughter drifting through the cool afternoon air. This contemporary minimalist terrace feels sharp, calm, and quietly luxurious. The floating concrete pergola casts crisp shadows on the polished floor, giving the winter sun a strong graphic presence. The glass fence disappears into the background, keeping the focus on the charcoal facade and simple evergreen forms. There is not much here, but everything that exists feels carefully chosen. It is the kind of space where clutter has no chance, and your thoughts finally feel clear. This English cottage-style outdoor corner feels soft and storybook-like, even in the chill of winter. The white pergola, with its gentle arches, frames climbing branches waiting to bloom again. The sage picket fence and honey limestone facade warm up the scene, catching the light in a charming, uneven way. Stone paving winds gently underfoot, guiding you through evergreens and seasonal touches. It is the kind of space that makes you think of tea, blankets, and quiet afternoons. This urban courtyard feels modern and grounded, a little slice of calm tucked into the city. The matte black pergola lines up confidently with the metal-framed wood fence, giving the space strong structure. The mixed facade of metal and cedar offers just the right contrast, letting winter light emphasize each shift in material. The large concrete tiles keep everything clean and unfussy. It is the kind of place that works for both focused laptop time and relaxed evening hangs. And there you have it, 14 unique ways to create warm, elegant outdoor spaces even in winter. From Scandinavian simplicity to Mediterranean charm, each design shows how pergolas, fences, and facades can work together beautifully. If you love these ideas, hit that like button, subscribe for more inspiration, and tell us your favorite design in the comments below.